Hello everybody, I want to show you how I can back up my physical Linux machine very easily. The reason why I want to do this is that I want to try out some programs, and they also maybe change the boot environment, the group config and stuff. And I want to be able to roll back without installing the physical machine each time. And yeah, because that's I use LVM, the logical volume manager, and it makes it very easy. Yeah, let's start then. First of all, there are some requirements. For example, I have the physical the volume groups. I use the group name VG0, and I have enough free space for creating a snapshot. And let's have a look on my logical volumes. I have a logical volumes at the size of 20 gigabytes, and this is mounted on slash, and you see the slash boot folder has no special device. It's inside the logical volume. And if I want to create a snapshot, I need the L4 create command with the -s, which means create a snapshot. Then I tell L4 create how big the snapshot should be, and you must know that you should know that every change after creating the snapshot will be written into the snapshot. So in this case, if I want to install a lot, or I don't know, and here I have enough space, so I choose 10 gigabyte size, and then I give the snapshot a name. Because I just installed the machine, I call it initial snapshot. And then I need to tell the L4 create command which logical volume I want to snapshot. This is dev, then the volume group name VG0, and my volume has the name, my logical volume, LV-sys. Now it's created, and let's see the logical volumes. And you see here that the initial snapshot has different attributes, and its origin is LV-sys. And now I can demonstrate how it works. First of all, let's delete. Let's create some changes on the file system. For example, on /etc. I create a file etc config conf or blah conf, maybe blah conf. Let's insert blah equals 1. Write the file, check, it's there, and now we can look at the size of the snapshot. And the allocated space in the snapshot is 0.01%. It's not much, of course, it's 10 gigabyte in size. But now I can revert to the situation before with the help of lv convert command, say merge, and then I need to tell which snapshot I want to merge. This was the initial one. And I still have the file inside the file system, because it says here that the snapshot will merged when the next activation comes around. So for that we need to unmount it and deactivate and activate the logical volume. But as you imagine, we cannot do this because it's used by the system itself. So what would be easier? To reboot the system. So let me reboot the system, and then we see what happened. Okay, the machine is up. Again, let's try to SSH into. Switch to root again. And now you see it's not in the history anymore what I did. So we can have a look for files under Etsy with the name blah. And we cannot find anything. So the reversion, to revert to the situation before, was done easily, but there is something we have a problem with it. First of all, the snapshot is not there anymore because it was after the merging. It will be deleted. So if we want to do another change, we need to recreate the snapshot. And if we try it, it will not work. I will show you what error message occur. We create -s -elton g name initial snapshot on device VG0 LVSys. And it tells me that the snapshot already exists, but as you can see, there isn't one. And if we use this, you see there's something left, and we can remove this what's left there with lv change -- refresh and then the name of the volume group. And now if we do this, you see the dirty stuff has been removed, and now we can newly create the snapshot again. Now it was newly created, and we see the snapshot. And the other situation could be that you do not want to roll back to the situation before, but you only want to delete the snapshot, so keep the changes you made. And this could be easily done also. I will show you. I created a file again, etsy blah.conf. Insert nice equals okay, maybe. And now I just remove the snapshot with the command lv remove. And then I need the whole path to the snapshot device. It asks me again, do you really want to remove it? And I'm sure I want to remove it. So now we can check there's no snapshot anymore, also with show me all. You see there's no rest, it's completely removed, and my file, my blah file is still there. So that's all what I wanted to show you. And there's a special thing you need to figure out, that the boot folder, or no other folder which could be changed by the installation of programs you want to test. All the folders you need to roll back should be in the snapshot, inside the snapshot. Keep that in mind. It's very, very important. And also, if you don't have not enough space in your physical machine, but because your logical volume consumes all the space from the volume group, you could insert maybe another hard disk in your bare metal and extend the volume group. But this is not part of this screencast, how to extend volume groups. I only wanted to show you how you can easily make something like a backup for experimenting on bare metal. Thanks for watching my little screencast. I hope you enjoyed it a little bit. Give me a thumb up if you want to, or subscribe my channel. It's for free. Bye bye.